So guys, calm down. Okay, well, this is Tommy's show. Hey, here's some of my crewmates. All right, get out of here. So here's what our lesson's about. I don't know. I don't like people who disrespect my family. And hey, look at this guy. Wait, look at this guy right here. Who does this guy think he is? Anyway, I just don't like it. All right? Okay? I just don't like it. Disrespect my family some other time, but not now. Anyway, that was just a little breather, you know. Alright, can you just get out of my way? Anyway, sorry about that. This little annoying little turd bucket right there. This is one of my videos of Tommy and... Get out! What are you doing? Stupid! Anyway. Get out! I'm just playing, yeah. But I don't like people disrespecting my family. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Stop! Alright? Okay, so, I think that's it for today.
Shaniqua in the house! June bag!
Hey, what do you guys do? Hey, what do you guys...
Can you tell?
Dude. What do you